Hello everyone, welcome back to Gateway Solutions. I hope you all are doing well today. In this video, we are going to show you how to create a bootable drive for Windows 11. This will allow you to install Windows 11 on a computer that does not meet all the requirements like TPM 2.0 and secure boot. Let's start it. Our first step is to download the Windows ISO from Microsoft's official website. To do this, open your browser. In the search bar, types Windows 11 ISO download. Click on the first websites that appears. Scroll down a little bit and look for download Windows 11 disk image ISO for x64 devices. And choose Windows 11 multi-edition ISO for x64 devices. Click on download now. Choose your preferred language and click on confirm. Click 64-bit download to start your download. Your download will be started, and depending on your computer and internet speed, it may take some time. Now for your second step, open your new tab and search Rufus download. Click the first website that appears. Scroll down and find the other versions. Click on other versions GitHub link. Look for Rufus 3.18 exe. Click on it to download. Version 3.18 supports creating bootable drive with or without TPM 2.0 and secure boot. Okay. Once Rufus is downloaded, open your downloads folder. Double click on rufus.exe to run the application. You may see the user account control dialog box. Click yes. Rufus will start. This brings us our third step to creating bootable USB drive. Before running Rufus, make sure your USB drive is connected. In the device option in Rufus, select your pen drive. If there are multiple USB storage devices connected, carefully choose the correct one by checking the size and drive letter in the File Explorer. Next, click the select button under the boot selection to choose the Windows 11 ISO file you downloaded earlier. Then under the image option, click the drop down arrow and select extended Windows 11 installation, no TPM, no secure boot. Ensure that partition scheme is MBR and target system is BIOS. If you want to install on unsupported system, finally click the start button. Before clicking on the start button, leave all other options unchanged. Now click on start button. A warning will appear that all data on USB drive will be destroyed. Click OK and wait for process to complete. Now click on close button when ready appeared here. That's all. You are successfully created a bootable USB drive for installing Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.